How to use Robinhood paper trading to practice options. What if you could trade options on Robinhood, make mistakes, and learn, all without risking a single dollar of your hard-earned cash? That's the power of paper trading. Today, I'll show you how to use Robinhood's paper trading features to practice options trading safely, step by step. Part 1. Why paper trading matters. Paper trading is simulated trading. It looks and feels like the real thing, but instead of risking actual money, you use virtual funds. Why is this important? Because options trading is risky. Contracts expire, time decay eats at value, and volatility can crush a position in minutes. Beginners often burn through accounts before they truly understand these forces. Part 2. Accessing Robinhood paper trading. Currently, Robinhood doesn't offer an official paper trading feature inside the app, but you can still practice using their virtual trading simulator, which Robinhood introduced through its educational tools, or by linking to a connected practice account. If that's not available to you, don't worry. There are workarounds. You can track trades manually in a spreadsheet or use a simulated trading platform, then mirror Robinhood's options chain to replicate the trade experience. It takes discipline, but it works. Part 3. Setting up your paper account. Let's assume you're using Robinhood's simulator. Here's how to start. Log into Robinhood and search for their practice trading or simulator feature. Select Options, Trading from the Practice dashboard. You'll be given virtual money, often around $100,000, to experiment with. If you're doing it manually, open a spreadsheet and log your imaginary account balance. Each time you buy or sell an option, record the details just as Robinhood shows. Contract type, strike price, expiration, premium paid, and date. Part 4. Practicing call and put basics. Now it's time to place your first practice trades. Start simple. Buy a call option if you think the stock will go up. Buy a put option if you think the stock will go down. For example, if Apple is at $150, you might practice buying a $155 call expiring in 1 month. Enter the contract in your simulator, note the premium cost, and track how the value changes daily. You'll start to see how delta, theta, and volatility affect your position. Part 5. Testing strike prices and expirations. One of the biggest benefits of paper trading is experimenting with different strike prices and expirations. Try this. Buy one in the money call. Buy one at the money call. Buy one out of the money call. Then watch how each performs as the stock moves. You'll notice ITM options cost more, but move more predictably, while OTM contracts can explode or expire worthless. This hands-on practice teaches you what textbooks can't. Part 6. Exploring advanced strategies. Once you're comfortable, use paper trading to test advanced strategies. Try a covered call if you want to simulate income. Practice a spread to see how risk and reward are capped. Test a straddle or strangle during earnings to understand how implied volatility crushes premiums afterward. The goal here isn't profit, it's education. Paper trading is your sandbox to experiment without financial consequence. Part 7. Building discipline and review. Paper trading also teaches you discipline. Don't just throw random trades. Log every move, set stop losses, and review results weekly. Ask, what worked? What failed? Did I overtrade? Did I ignore time decay? The reflection process is where the real growth happens. Treat your paper account like real money, and you'll build habits that transfer directly into live trading. Part 8. Limitations of paper trading. Here's the catch. Paper trading can't replicate emotions. It feels different when your real money is on the line. Fear and greed play a huge role in trading psychology. So, use paper trading to master mechanics and strategies. But remember, real trading will always test your discipline more. Robinhood paper trading is the perfect way to learn options without risking your wallet. Use it to master strike prices, expirations, and strategies before you ever trade live. Start small, stay consistent, and build confidence step by step. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more trading tutorials, and comment below which strategy you're excited to practice first. I might cover it in the next video.